Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic time. Topic time. What is this? This is your clock. What is this? This is your clock. The shorthand is a, what you say? Shorthand is a hour hand and long hand is a minute hand. Long hand is a minute hand. See, this one is a short hand, this one is a hour hand, grey color, and red is a long hand. That one is a your minute hand. Understand? In the clock, how many numbers? 1 to 12. 1 to 12. One day have how many hours? One day have how many hours? 12 hours, correct. 12 hours. The hour hand is a move slowly for complete the one round. For complete the one round, okay. And minute hand is a moves faster. Minute hand is a moves faster. Understand? When minute hand completed one round of clock, that time there is a 1 hour is a completed move. This one, see. Minute hand move this one. That time 1 hour is a completed. See, 1 hour is here completed. Understand? Now, and when our hand is a completed one round, our hand is a completed one round, that time in 12 hours completed there. 12 hours completed means half of the day, because of in one day how many hours are there? 24 hours. When our hand completed one round, that time 12 hour is there completed. 12 hour is a completed. Okay. All of you remembered whatever I say? See here, when minute hand on 12 and hour hand on 4, that when in the clock our hand is pointing at 4 and minute hand is pointing now at a 12. What is the time there? That time what you say? It is a 4 o'clock. It is a 4 o'clock because of small hand show the hour time and big hand show the minute time. That so when small hand on any one number and big hand on 12, that time that number is there. Write there that number and write o'clock. Means now how much time is there? 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Understand? Next one. When our hand is on 7. Our hand is on 7. That how much time is there? 7 o'clock. Right there. 7 o'clock. When our hand also on a 12. Minute hand also on a 12. How much time is there? 12 o'clock. How much time is there? 12 o'clock. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, when our hand in between two number, and minute hand on 6. Minute hand on 6. That time how much time is there? This is a 1:30. 1:30. Because of our hand is in between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So it is shows the 1:30. 1:30. The time is 1:30. How much time they show? 1:30. Understand? All of you understand now? How much time they show you? 1:30. Next one. See. When our hand on in between 2 and 3. In between 2 and 3. That how much time is there? 2:30. Because of small hand on in between 2 and 3. Our hand in between 2 and 3. So big hand on 6. So time is there 2:30 means 2:30. 2:30. Understand? When our hand on in between 3 and 4. Our hand on in between 3 and 4. That time how much time is there? How much time is there? Semi student, semi answer. 3:30. 3:30 means 3:30. Correct. 3:30. Our hand on in between 4 and 5. Our hand on in between 4 and 5. It shows of 4:30. It shows of 4:30. And the time is there 4:30. The time is there 4:30. When our hand on in between 5 and 6. This is it shows a 5:30. 5:30. The time is 5:30. 5:30. Our hand on in between 6 and 7. That time it shows the 6:30. The time is 6:30. Time is there 6:30. Our hand on 7 and 8. In between 7 and 8. It shows the 7:30. It shows the 7:30. Time is there 7:30. Time is there 7:30. Our hand in between 9 and 8. Our hand in between 9 and 8. It shows the time 8:30. 8:30 means 8:30. In between 9 and 10. Our hand is there. What is time is there? 9:30. 9:30. In between 10 and 11. 10:30. In between 11 and 12. 11:30. Understand? All of you understand when you write the 30? When you write the 30 minutes? Okay. Now we learn here quarter past. Quarter past. When minute hand on, minute hand means big hand on 3. Big hand on 3. And small hand is a any one number, little after any one number, that time you write quarter past. That time you write quarter past. See here, hour hand on little after 12 and minute hand on 3. That time what time you write? Quarter past 12. Quarter past 12. 12 15. 12 15. Write as there 12 15. And how to read? Quarter past 12. Quarter past 12. Now little bit of after 1. That time also you write and big hand on a 3. That time also you write quarter past 1. Quarter past 1. Yeah, 1:15. 1:15. When minute hand on little bit of 2 and big hand on a 3. Big hand on a 3. That time you write their time quarter past 2. Quarter past 2. Okay, quarter past 2. And time is there 2:15. When time is on little after 3, our hand show little after 3 and minute hand on a 3. That time how much time is there? 3:15. 3:15. Our hand little bit of after 4 and minute hand on 3. What is the time is there? 4:15. 4:15. See, our hand little bit after 5. How much time is there? 5:15. Quarter past 5. Hours time show the little bit after 6. Right there quarter past 6. Yeah, 6:15. Little bit after 7. 7:15. Yeah, quarter past 7. Little bit after 8. Time is there 8:15. Yeah, quarter past 8. Little bit after 9. 9:15. Yeah, quarter past 9. Little bit after 10. Our hand show. That time you write 10:15. That time you write 10:15. 11:15. Little bit after our hand show. So write there 11:15. Little bit after 12. 12:15. Understand how to when you write the quarter past? Big hand on 3 and small hand little bit any number, you write there quarter past that number and that number write ... 15. Understand? Now quarter 2. Minute hand on 9. Minute hand on 9 and little bit any one number before. That time how much time is there? 12:45. 45 minutes. Because of clock run out there 5 table. Clock run out there 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. This one also you remembered, na? Now 9. 9 there. How much minutes are there? 45 minutes. How much minutes are there? 45 minutes. So what you write there? See. Little bit before of 1 is there, our hand show the time and minute hand on a 9. That time how much time is there? 12:45. How to write in words? quarter to 1, quarter to 1. When our hand little bit of 2 and minute hand on 9. Write in there quarter to 2, our hand on little bit of 3 and minute hand on 9. Write their time, read as their quarter to 3, 2:45. Time is there 2:45. Little bit of 4. Time is there 3:45. How to read as there quarter to 4, quarter to 4. Little bit of there 5, 5:45. Time is there 5:45. Sorry, 4:45. And write in their words quarter to 5, quarter to 5. Little bit of 6, 5:45. Write as there in words quarter to 6. Little bit of there 7. Write in words quarter to 7 and write in how to write as 6:45. Little bit of before 8. Little bit of before 8. Little bit of 8 before 8. Little bit of before 8. Time is there 7:45. And how to write in words quarter to 8. Little bit of 9. And how to read as their number 8:45. 8:45 means quarter to 9. Small hand on little bit before 10. What is the time is there? Quarter to 10. And how to write in words quarter to 10 and how to say number 9:45. Understand now how to do? Okay. Now today's homework what? Show the time and write in words this one questions. Okay. Show the time and write in words and draw the clock, show the time and write in words this one questions. Okay. Now say me, 1 year have how many months? This is for your general knowledge. 1 year have how many months? 12 months. 1 year have how many weeks? 52 weeks. And 1 year have how many days? 365 days. 1 year have how many days? 365 days. And 1 week have how many days? 7 days. 1 week have how many days? 7 days. Leap year means what? When in February month 29 days coming, that time You call that year leap year. You call that one leap year. Okay. Is this year is leap year? In February there are 29 days. In February is 29 days. That time you will say yes. In Feb have 28 days. That time you say no. Understand? When will the next leap year fall? 2024 days. But in 1 year have how many days we say? 365 days. But when the leap year is going on, that time 1 year have 366 days. Okay? 1 century means 100 year. 1 century year means 100 year. 1 decade means 10 year. Okay, this is for your general knowledge. Which month have 30 days? Which month have? April, June, September, November have the 30 days. February have a 28 and 29 days, and all the rest have 31 days. Means January, March, May, July, August, October and December have a 31 days. Okay, thank you.